Hey, so we got a box here. Package came from Wisconsin. Kylie here is going to help us open it. Let's see what we got. Cut it open, huh? All right. Ooh, nice. Pull that up. So we got a package from Empire Products. So cool. All right, what do we have in here, Kylie? What's the first thing? Oh, cool.
A winter hat.
Winter beanie. Nice.
And then a summer hat.
A summer hat.
A shirt.
T-shirt. Very nice.
And
What's a can cozy? That's going to come handy the next couple months when it warms up. Oh,
cards.
cards. That's actually really smart. I don't know if I've ever heard of anybody giving cards in a swag bag, but that's actually really nice. Oh, one more thing.
A notebook.
Notebook. Oh, that's cool. So they have lines, and then they also have a graph side. So that's cool for sketching out things, whatever you want to do. Awesome. Empire, thanks a bunch. Can't wait to get these to use.